There's one part of the Temu free gift process that almost every video skips, and it's actually the part I pay the most attention to. It has nothing to do with clicking fast or inviting random people or finding some secret button. It's the coupon. Think about it. You find a free gift offer. You pick something you want. Then you realize there's a qualifying purchase involved. So now the question isn't just, what free gift am I getting? It's how much am I actually paying to get it? And that's where most tutorials stop explaining. Here's what I do instead. Before I even start the free gift process, I activate the coupon code on the screen first, not halfway through, not when I'm already at checkout. First, then I open the free gift offer and look at what's actually available to my account. I check the gifts, I check the requirements, and most importantly, I look at the total cost of completing the promotion. Because here's the little trick. Don't judge the deal by the word free. Judge it by the entire transaction. If I was already planning to buy something and the coupon reduces that qualifying purchase, now the promotion becomes much more interesting. But if I'm adding random products I don't want just because I think I'm getting something free, that's not really saving money. That's just spending money with extra steps. So I tested this 2 ways. First, I went through the free gift process without making the coupon my priority. Then I repeated it but activated the code on the screen before doing anything else. And honestly, the second approach made much more sense. I could see the available discount from the beginning, which made it easier to decide whether the promotion was actually worth completing. That's the hidden part nobody explains properly. The goal isn't to force a free gift. It's to combine the promotion with the best available coupon and then decide whether the final deal is genuinely good. And before you ask, no, this doesn't mean every account will see the same gift or discount. Temu promotions can vary by account, eligibility, and current offer. So don't copy someone else's exact screen and assume yours will match. But if you're looking at a Temu free gift right now, here's the order I'd use. Coupon first. Check your free gift offer. Read the requirements. Look at the final cost. Then decide if it's actually worth claiming. That's the part most secret method videos never bother explaining. And honestly, once you start looking at Temu promotions this way, the word free becomes a lot less exciting. Because what matters isn't what the gift costs. What matters is what the entire deal costs you. Activate the coupon on the screen first, then check your free gift offer and the final requirements. If the numbers actually make sense, that's when you know you found a good deal.